In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see upcoming Udemy course deadlines, if set, on desktop. Here's the key thing to understand right away. Standard Udemy courses don't come with built-in deadlines. When you purchase a typical course, there isn't a required start date or end date. You can learn entirely at your own pace, and you keep access to the content for as long as the course remains licensed on the platform. Because of that design, you won't find a due date, a countdown, or a dedicated upcoming deadlines list on your course page. On desktop, there isn't a native interface that tracks upcoming deadlines for most courses. If you were hoping to see what's due next, the closest and most effective approach is to set up your own learning reminders within Udemy. These aren't automatic deadlines created by the instructor. They're custom reminders you define to nudge yourself to study on the schedule that works for you. Here's how to set them up. On the Udemy website, go to My Learning, then open Learning Tools. Look for the option that says Add a Learning Reminder and click it. You'll be prompted to choose a date and time for your reminder, along with a frequency that suits your routine. You can make it a one-time reminder or repeat it on a regular cadence. If you want to keep things organized, you can optionally attach the reminder to a specific course so you know exactly what you plan to work on. When you're satisfied with the schedule, save your settings. From there, you'll receive a browser notification or an email reminder based on what you selected. A couple of helpful notes as you use this feature. These reminders are your own personal schedule aids, not official deadlines from the course. They won't change what you see inside the lectures, and you won't suddenly find a due date dashboard on your course page. Think of them as a lightweight planner built into Udemy that helps you build momentum and stay consistent. To get the most out of reminders, pick times when you're realistically free to study and keep your frequency manageable so it doesn't become noise. Give each reminder a clear purpose by attaching it to a course when that helps your focus. And if you prefer email over browser notifications, make sure your notification settings in your account and browser are set to allow those messages. That's it. While Udemy doesn't provide built-in deadlines for most courses, these learning reminders give you a simple, flexible way to see what's coming up for you and stay on track on desktop.